Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create this part in Solidworks. First of all, I will create a triangle. I select top plane, sketch, normal. I select polygon command. In parameters, number of sides 3, select OK. Right click, select option. Smart dimension, this side 120 mm. Select OK. Right click, select option. Select this line, make vertical. Now our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, extrude it boss base feature, extrude it up to 15 mm. Select OK. Now we apply fillet feature. For that, go to fillet, select fillet here, fillet parameters 8 mm radius. Here select the corners. I select this corner, and this corner. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now I will create these 3 holes of diameter 8 mm. Select circle command. Move the cursor on this arc and then here its center point is visible and create a circle. Similarly here move the cursor on this arc and select this center point. Again select this arc, this center point and create a circle. Right click, select option, select this circle, press and hold control button, select this circle and this circle. Make equal relation, select OK. Smart dimension, select this circle, diameter 8 mm. Right click, select option. Now our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, extruded cut 15 mm, select OK. Now we create this portion. For that, select this face, sketch, normal. I will create here 2 circles. Select circle command, draw one circle here, draw one circle here. Right click, select option. Diameter of the outer circle is 50 mm. Diameter of inside circle is 30 mm. Smart dimension, select inner circle, diameter 30 mm. Outer circle, diameter 50 mm. Right click, select option. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, extrude in boss base feature, extrude it up to 30 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now select this circle, inside circle and select convert entities. Come back from the sketch, go to extruded cut, extrude it up to 15 mm. Select OK. Now this part is ready. We will change its color, edit appearance and select color from here. I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.